Live on KKFM and Voo Gandota. We here party. It's another day. It's another dollar. Yes, you know the story. You know the story. Today we here. Let's discuss with KK and having my guy here. And as you know, we bring you the different people from different industry. Do you want to know who are we having in studio today, man? Man, this is dope, bro. So today on studio we're having Mr. and brother Edward. Edward is Edward Nkosi.
Yes.
Edward Nkosi on our studio, man. But he will introduce himself. How's it, bro? How's it?
I'm good.
I'm good. What's happening here? So who's Edward, man? Where are you from? What's up? What's happening?
Okay, by the way, I'm Edward Nkosi.
Yeah.
And I'm currently from Tofantin T. Emanalini.
Yeah.
And I'm 23 years old.
Yes.
The co-founder of Edward Agri.
Oh, that's a very nice and dope introduction, man. You know the story. You know, just make sure that your mic is closer to you so that we can hear you, man. We want to know what knowledge. So today you said you're the owner of Agri. What is Agri? What?
Edward Agri.
Edward Agri. That's
Yes.
the owner, man. We bring you owners here. So who are you, man? Where are you from?
Oh, hence I've said I'm
Yeah.
currently from Tofantin T.
Yeah.
And I'm a producer of fresh vegetables
Yeah.
like spinach,
Yeah.
beetroot,
Yeah.
and also carrots.
Carrots. Oh, that's dope, man. So where is it off? And then is it in Mpumalanga, right?
Yes, it's under Mpumalanga in Tembisile.
Tembisile Hani municipality. Yeah. That's where you're from, man. That's where you're from.
Yes.
And that's where you grew up, and you went to school there.
Yes. I grew up in Emanalin.
Yeah.
I went to Mgibe Primary School.
Okay.
From there, I went to Vlachten number 1, of which is Vulamehlo.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I completed my matric at Bongumusa.
Oh,
at
okay.
A1.
Yeah.
This way I started to do my
Yeah.
college.
You know, surprisingly, man, when I was still at school, Ibn Musa, it used to be down there. Hey, what's happening? What is happening with Ibn Musa? Unfundi,
No, like
Yeah.
Chafunda.
Yeah. But the percentage, it was always down, man. Not always, but in my times, the percentage was down, eh?
Yeah.
But it is what it is, man.
Yeah.
All right. That's dope, and therefore, that's where you grew up and whatnot. Because the reason why you called here is because of what you're doing, bro.
Yes.
It's because of what you're doing. And before we go there, do you have any family? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any parents?
Yes, I do.
Mm.
I have my family, like Ngisala, with my parents,
Yeah.
my mom, my dad, my younger sister,
Yeah.
who say with bank,
Yeah.
and then the other one bar around me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why can't Why are you staying with the parents while you're owning the company, bro? Yeah, what's up? What's happening, bro? You're not
No,
ready.
Ngisesengaphasi kwabo.
Why is that?
Ngisemncane, and
Yeah.
I believe-
Oh.
Yeah, but then soon.
Yeah. How old are you, bro?
I'm 23 years old.
Yo.
I'm
23 years old.
Yes.
Yes, it's like bro. I thought like you're a hot man.
No.
I thought you're a
no,
hot
no,
man.
No.
Yeah?
I'm 23 years old.
Oh no, that's nice. That's nice. And when did the love of agriculture start, man? When did the love of you doing the what is it? The agriculture thing, man. Yeah.
Okay. Now I believe that the agriculture, it was a calling for me.
Yeah.
Because I started when I was in grade 11 at
Oh,
school.
okay. All right.
So on that time, we know that on Enkolweni, like we have a big yard, small yard,
Yeah.
whereby kosele sitshale.
Yeah.
So on that time, mina bengitshala
Oh,
esikolweni. So
yeah.
on
Yeah.
lunchtime, ngiyakhona
Yeah.
ngiyechecka intshalo lezo.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then this thing yathoma kanjalo
Yeah, yeah.
until now.
Okay.
then-
All right.
Yes.
Which year was that?
It was 2022.
Yeah. I think your phone is ringing. You can just put it on silent or flight mode, man.
Alarm.
Oh, it's an alarm.
Yeah.
Why alarm on this cut, bro?
I don't know. Maybe it's because
Yeah. Oh, it's got to go to Thunders.
Maybe.
Or maybe Central.
I don't-
Wayekho into enjalo ne?
Yeah,
Or mhlawumbe sokuthelelela. Ama-crops, eh?
Ngazi ukwenzakalani.
No, that's dope, man. That's dope. So, what inspired you, man? Like people are going to social media, being content creators, doing the being engineers, being what inspired you to like that? That's very rare, to be honest with you. In a black community, for someone to go for farming or for someone to go to agriculture. Why is that, bro?
So if I can tell you my story, like after I completed my matric, ne?
Yep.
It's whereby ngibone ukuthi not everyone
Yeah.
kumele ayufunda or kumele
Yeah.
I attend maybe some institution.
Yes.
So like some of my friends went there and then like bayafunda even namanje.
Yeah.
So like being nalento le ngikuzibuza ukuthi and then mina ngizoyenzani because okay abangani bami ba approve my university and then mina I myself sekhona like and unfortunately like uNkulunkulu bekangibekele ukuthi mina ngibeke ukudla etafuleni.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's whereby I started to follow on social media, like on Facebook. Ngathoma ngafollow abantu like fana nabo Sihle Maseko from Eastern Cape. Of which now he's a millionaire.
Serious,
like so. And then I started to be motivated.
Yeah.
And then I started by attending workshop like this, like about hosta with agriculture, izinto ezinjalo. And then it's whereby ngithoma uthi no. 18 years.
Yeah.
Yes, I can do
this thing. Yeah.
Even though it was hard.
Yeah.
But then, yeah.
Yeah. So now people are going to ama varsities and all that when you're left at home. But this thing, the love, started in grade 11, bro.
Yeah.
So what inspired? Let's talk about you in grade 11. What inspired you to follow or to say, you know what? I love agriculture, man. I like doing the crops thing and whatnot.
Before I was attracted by livestock.
Oh.
Because Baba wami like dilangas.
Oh. Okay.
So,
yeah.
And we sine plus.
Okay. All right.
So ngibe motivated on agriculture because of being believer ukuthi imali.
Yeah.
Ilapho.
Yeah.
Ngiprovile cause ngibonile ukuthi imali
ilapho and yeah. Uboneni bro wathi imali khona. As I said, black community, man, they don't think about ukchala, bro.
Like
I think there's a secret there, eh?
No, there's not. Just into like idinga isikhathi sakho.
Yeah,
and then like idinga ingcondo yakho.
Yeah,
ukuthi uzosebenza ngani.
Yeah,
ungakhohliswa ababantu ukuthi maybe you can plant this and then like totally awuna market.
Yeah,
ayikho into engana market.
Yes,
when it comes to agriculture.
Yeah,
everything
markets
in a market.
Yo, that's
so just idinga wena ne mind yakho.
Yes.
Uzokhona ukenza that chain of marketing.
Yeah,
because like yinto enzima leyo to find marketing. Yes.
Oh, yeah. And what was the first step, bro? You saw it. So as people, you tried to follow social media, whatnot. What was the first step? I was like, you know what? Now I'm doing this thing. What did you do first?
Like when I started, I started by like ukampela indawo.
Yeah.
Whereby ngizotshala la.
Oh, okay.
And then like the process you lima is
yeah.
After I just asked myself, okay, ngiqedile and then ngizotshalani.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I went to Umunyu Baba, of which is Babu Mtombeni.
Yes.
We can say abanye abantu like abatshalako.
Yeah.
And then what give me no ungafaka spinach for this session.
Yes.
Because if we remember that like on agriculture, everything in a session now.
Yeah.
Yes, kunalezi ezikhula from January till December.
Okay.
But then kunezinye esizikhulisa ngama month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I started by ukutshala spinach and then engqondeni yami bekusekutheni no ngizosithengisa locally.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, zange kenzeke ngengqondo yami.
Yo.
But then
what happened?
Bro, uNkulunkulu like ungivulele cause I remember when they called me ukuthi I just applied for I'm a big retail like Boxer.
Okay.
Spa,
yeah.
And they said ungenza ni sample ye-spinach sakho.
Okay.
And remember, when they call you, I'll see what yedwa like.
Yes.
We
Yeah.
find, last time we see 7, and then you compete nabantu office dala
Bakhona industry.
And
Yes.
yeah. So mangifika ni sample yam and bathanda esami spinach. They ask me ukuthi if ever singathi kusasa ekseni ungasidilivela 250 benches ungakhona ukuyifaka. I said, yeah, I can.
Bekhona 200.
Bengathembi ukuthi ngaphuma. But then bengazi ukuthi ikhona.
Yeah.
And then we went back and like ngacheka
Yeah.
indawo because I remember bekuzosondela inyanga iphela. So, okay, fine. We harvest. Ngasimikisa first ngamikisa ebox.
Yeah.
Like zanke ngikholwe.
Yeah. And Brian indaba yakho bayaduma umhlaba wonke I can say.
Umhlaba wonke.
Yeah.
Indawo engihlala kiyo.
Yeah.
Ngithini ivalelwe.
Yeah.
Not like ivalelwe.
Yeah.
Abantu abahlala kiyo
basivalele.
Yes, banawo ama mind businesses,
yes.
But then abazi ukuthi bangathoma
njani. Yeah.
So like ukuthi idume konke it's because of emanaleni.
It's rare.
Yeah, and
yes.
Edward yabo.
Yeah.
So I started to supply e-boxer in Pola Mall. And then they call me again tomorrow, I think in supply by 3.
Yeah.
And then from there they call me a Binoni.
Okay.
Of which now encounter another it's a city or province. Yeah,
so who calls you a Pinot now? Is
the
boxer?
Yes.
Oh.
Because once you submit your invoice, already bawa submitter to head office yao.
Oh,
and
okay.
then you're gonna see what okay, tina sitole spinach from our near farmer.
Farmer,
and then
yes.
they called me, they said, ungakhona supply nala. I said, yeah.
Oh,
because on that time, I can do this.
Yeah.
So I started to supply box. I say, it's a prongor, and then Pinoni, of which is a leg site, whereby utenga abilung.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then ne Davidton. Yeah. So bising tila ne box.
Okay.
Yeah, like so long kanjalo.
Yeah. And therefore, you keep on bro, this is your story, man. It's great. I can say, and it's so motivating. And I can say, God is good, eh?
As always.
Yeah. And I heard you're a praying person.
Yeah.
But umfundisi, are you a pastor? Are you a pastor?
I'm an additional.
Additional. What's an additional pastor?
So apparently, esontweni ngisontakilo.
Yeah.
Bashota ngamafundisi.
Oh.
So I can say, assistant.
Oh.
Yeah. So bangibeke ku additional.
Yeah.
Whereby makushota abafundisi.
Yeah.
They call me.
Yeah.
If ever maybe we cinema funeral.
Yes.
Or esontweni.
Yes. Yeah.
If you had to describe your life in scripture as you want, what would it be?
Yeah, bro.
Mina like scripture as connecta naso.
Yeah.
So by uDavid maka phakamisa amehlo akhe.
Yeah.
Ezintabeni whereby usizwe lakhe ulithole lapho.
Aye.
Yeah, cause like I believe ukuthi if ever
Yeah.
ngalalela abantu the way bebang discourage ngakhona.
Yeah.
Usizwe lami bengeke ngithola.
People that can discourage
then,
you, yeah.
Ngithethe like the faith. Ngaliphakamisela ezintabeni.
Yeah.
And it's where ngithole khona usizo lami.
Yeah.
So ngithole khona the power to start whatever engiqalile manje.
Yeah. Whether you're young man, whether you're old, the lesson that we get here, people they can say whatever that they say, but if you put your eyes on God, man, so
like everything.
That's where your help comes from.
Not only eyes.
Yeah.
But then kosele ibe accompanied by the faith.
By the faith. Aye.
Because without faith,
yeah, you
fana nokubeka indaba marungazi ukuthi ufuna bayenzeni.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
The moment uba ne faith,
yes.
Like indaba kuzoyibeka ichaze, because nowadays people they pray, and then find out ukuthi egcineni bathi uyezwa but then uthatha isikhathi ukuphendula, of which into engayikhuthazi from ebantwini.
Yeah.
So the moment uthandaza, by my understanding, or ngento enyibonile.
Yeah.
So God uyakwazi ukufunako.
Yeah.
So ufuna like masothandaza
Yeah.
uyakwazi like wena
Okufuna.
ufunako
Yeah.
so masothandaza wena kosele uze nendlela yokuthi akuphe amandla ukwenza into leyo
Ndole, yeah, which is faith, man.
Yeah.
Which is faith, and therefore you said the good timer who gave you a place to do spinach,
Yes.
and you spoke about session. Let me ask that. What's a session?
Okay, kuma session sikhuluma about the process of planting.
Okay.
Sinentshalo ezivutha like esizitshala ebusika due
Oh.
to ukuzwa amakhaza.
Yeah.
And kunezinye ezikhona ukumaintaina amakhaza nokushisa.
Nokushisa, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's basically seasons.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it was a season for that you can plant spinach.
Spinach. Yeah.
Okay.
Hence
Alright.
now like there are a lot of farmers
Yes.
of which nowadays they planted spinach
Yeah.
because of good demand first of all
Mm-hmm.
is season yazo.
Yeah.
So kumarket one thing I've learned
Mm.
even though ubonile ukuthi now it's that session of spinach
Yeah.
at the same time
Mm.
try ukutshala enye into
Oh,
aside
yes.
like
yes.
I myself
Yeah.
yes isizini spinach
Yeah.
ngitshale ne-beetroot
Oh, yeah.
so ngiyenzeleni now kulesikhathi sikiso
yeah.
sebabaningi abantu
Yeah.
abasupply ispinach
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
ngibashiya ngani basa supply ispinach
Yeah.
already mina sengiphumile kiso
Yeah.
sengikubeetroot
Ay.
so the moment bona baphuma ngale
Yeah.
already mina
On a
sengiyasupply
soya supply. Yeah.
so it's how we
Yeah.
functions.
And he brought us beetroot, man. What's that beetroot? Can you give me that beetroot? Hey, keep it plastic in. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, he brought us a beetroot, bro. This is from Edward Agri.
Yes.
Said KKFM cook. We cook here. We're having chefs who cooks for us. So that we can eat.
And
Edward Dot.
also for adding on that beetroot
Yeah.
we have types of beetroot of which people they are abanye mhlamba bazi.
Yeah.
We have a white beetroot
Yeah.
and also a red beetroot.
You lie.
So I've tried to plant
Yeah.
white beetroot
Okay.
and then like ivumile
Yeah.
on my place to ukuvutha.
Yeah.
Unfortunately bengizonzela nayo but then
Yeah.
sisencane.
This is in
So
yeah.
I've done a marketing connection through Richards Bay of which is under KZN
Okay.
whereby kuhlala ama-albinosis
Okay.
they used to eat white beetroot
Oh, okay.
to protect or to feed the skin sabo
Skin sub. Okay.
inamanzi kakhulu than this one.
Okay.
So now you go process ukuthi not in future
Yeah.
soon being
Soon, yes.
I will be exporting some of my veggies from under Itembisile to KZN. Yes.
You seem like someone who's busy, man. So, if I may ask, do you know what does that white beetroot do with on their skin?
Yeah, cause
What does it do?
skin sabo siba dry.
Okay.
Yeah, and so the moment bayayiboila some of them bayidla natural
Oh.
inamanzi
Yeah.
ukudlula le.
Yeah.
This one like sharp, healthy
Yeah.
because of some of people they also use cooked amabladder corner for the high blood what.
Okay.
But then the white beetroot
Yeah.
is scarce.
Yeah.
I think ungayithola kuWoolworths.
Yeah.
So la around Mpumalanga
Go wet.
give me it.
So when you cook it, how is it? Is it red or is it white?
White. It's
Serious?
a white beetroot. Yes, it's a white beetroot.
So why is it scarce? Is it because I meal gonke or
I meal gonke and then
or is it because of your skill?
I meal gonke
Mm.
and then abantu abayidlayo
Mhm.
ba very rare.
Oh, why?
Yeah, inendawo labo whereby abantu bakhona bayidla kufana nabelungu.
Mm.
Yeah, like iyabasiza kakhulu
Oh,
in
yes.
terms of ama skin
Skin
sabo.
sub,
Yeah,
yes.
normally nabantu abamnyama sizozama
Stand is in.
ukuyifaka.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I believe if ever bona baphila ngayo
Yes.
then nathi singaphila ngayo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So anyeke sibulale actually.
yeah.
Yeah, so nathi sizozama ngayo le ndlela ngayo yonke le ndlela ukuthi sizame nokuyideliver maybe to our nearest shop.
Shops,
Hence
yeah.
like ibeetroot yami angiboni ukuthi ngayisupply maybe kubo Boxer or because they collect some of veggies kuma market. So
yes.
mina already I have my market.
Yeah.
Is draftele yona aside.
Okay.
About ngokubona kwami ukuthi no, if ever ngayiplanta ngobuningi and I will benefit because as masitshala or on the process of this farming uyaluza ngokutransporta,
Yeah.
uyaluza ngokubhadala abantu.
Okay.
So if supplier near you ubenefita kakhulu because
transport.
ayikudli.
Yeah. Yes.
So like mina since ever ngizidraftele my marketing,
Yeah.
I've seen ukuthi okay fine, kunama funeral cover office a caterer each and every weekend. We can make an example about we can make an example by
Somalagas, yes.
yes, like ingwaba each and every weekend.
Yo.
So and not one person but then in our branches.
Some branches, yes.
Yeah, and unfortunately lucky because the big branches ila.
Yeah, visit Kochfontein.
No, it's at Miliva.
It may live. Okay, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So ngibona ukuthi if ever ngaconnectana nabo, maybe bayilande kimi ibeetroot. Definitely sure maybe bangalanda 20 to 15 bags
Yes.
per week, and then approach yabo Zankosi, Royal Kids, Alternative, Mashisani.
Yeah.
You can count them.
Yeah.
So marketing is draftele ona for my product engifuna ukuyiproducer right now.
Okay. Not the retailers and whatnot.
No. Not
okay.
everything is
Yes.
supposed to go to ama big retailer.
More retails, yes.
Yes, like akupha that isithunzi sokuthi usupplyile la.
Yeah.
Only find out ukuthi at the same moment like uyadleka
Ish.
because banokusi robber in terms of imali.
So
But then yeah,
oh,
because if ever ngizo supplier, okay, usually now si supplier spinach on boxers and then nani nazibonela like you will find out ukuthi si 15 rand or 12 rand.
yes.
Mina ngithengise imali less than 10 rand.
Yeah.
But then if someone approach me right now like or bangfonela or there's a funeral somewhere around my place and they say sifuna spinach, ngiyacharge my abnormal price because bas demand and bazonginikeza imali.
Yes.
So imarket ifuna ubheke on the right hand side and also the left hand side. But then the most if ufuna ukwenza i-profit, trust me, thengisela abantu ba local. Yeah, in a profit.
So you're making money. Would you say you're making a lot of profit from the local than the big retailers?
Yes.
Are you still supplying boxer though?
Yeah, now but then like ngifake someone
Yeah.
ngaphasi kwami because now mina sengiphelelwe.
Okay.
And then I'm starting to grow a
Yes.
beetroot since
Beetroot,
I've
yeah.
noticed. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Ngitshintshile manje ngibonile ukuthi sesibaningi.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
each and every week, each and every day, like
Yeah.
uzongena a farmer
Yeah.
from different municipality or place,
Yeah.
azo introduce his sample or her sample.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
definitely so bafuna ukenza i-chain yethu ukuthi ibe strong.
You're strong. Yes.
Singabi demotivated.
Yes.
Siyachentshana ngama-viki ukuthi no, okay iviki leli erwathi sicela supply.
Yeah.
Next week next week ngosenzana.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
yeah.
kosele ngize neplan ukuthi siphume.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
siphume.
Oh, okay. So you spoke about them robbing. How are they robbing you, bro?
In terms of ama price. Yeah, in terms of price. Actually abasirobi.
So basibekela imali or do you give them invoice?
Basibekela.
Oh.
Just bona mabaqeda ukuzibekela they will demand supplier eningi.
Oh.
And when anye ubona ukuthi no man. Khona kusama.
Yeah.
Yabo, they can say okay, ispina per bench.
Yeah.
And bafuna ibench yakhe ichaze
Yeah.
abantu, right?
Okay.
So
yes.
kosele uyenze ibe nkulu.
Mm.
Per bench thina kube singayithatha nge-8 rand. And then sizofuna supply nga 300 benches. And then like maybe ungathola kuma 2000 something. And anye ukubone lokho. And then mina ibench leyo mangoyithengisela someone outside maybe nge 15 rand.
Yeah.
So yabona ukuthi imali khona iba iningi,
Yes.
but
Yes.
sometimes siyenza lokhu because of i-advantage yakhona because inama-disadvantage.
Okay.
Sometimes mawuthengisela abantu unga harvesta ispinach esiningi ukuthi usithengisela abantu local endleleni find out ukuthi bangasithengi.
Yeah.
And then ispinach immediately usika
Yeah.
anye usasithengisa
Yes.
kusasiyamotshela.
Yes.
But then mabathethe a bulk it's better than ukuthi you lose.
You lose, yes,
Yeah.
true.
So ku Beetroot ngibone ku good thing for me ukuthi because of like if ever bazo harvest namhlanje.
Yeah.
Like by pack and then bangakhona ukuyilanda noma inini because
Yeah.
yakhona ukubekezela.
Yeah.
Yeah, yakhona ukubekezela I find spinach.
Yeah. So when this guy gave you a place, when you started, were you renting?
No, I'm not renting. By the way, indawo engisebenzela indawo kababami.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
alright.
a cooperative by the community members.
Yes.
Unfortunately, abantu bakhona, some of them bashona, and then indawo le ayisasebenzi.
Okay.
And
All
then
right.
mina-
So opportunity.
Yeah.
That's what happens in today's life, man. Check where we lack and then fill the sports, right?
Yeah.
So I heard that you're also farming at a school, or you're doing the utshalele ey'kolweni or noma esikolweni.
Enkolweni ngizama ukubuyisa or ngizama ukufaka this thing ukuthi abantwana ba understand or babe nolwazi about this process of planting. So I can say it's something esifuna ukuyenza ukuyifaka enkolweni by sibone ukuthi inkolo banawo ama gardening garden akasebenzi.
Yeah.
So sibone kuyi something nicely ukuthi siwasebenzise.
Yeah.
So I myself ngizitshela ukuthi no ngizothenga izinto and then like si visit inkolo.
Yeah.
Siba donatele and then batshale.
Okay.
Because I've like 2 weeks back ngifunde ku social media on Facebook ngibone isikolo bathi siyatshala.
Okay.
And then isikolo leso sizenzela sona some of
Feed scheme.
Yeah, like not if it is scheme by
Okay.
supply. Isikolo leso
Oh.
siya supply.
Oh.
So sithola imali.
Yeah.
So ukusizana nemali namafund wesikolo.
Yeah.
So ngibone kuyi something good ukuthi nangapha eMpumalanga kosile siyenze leyo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you do what do you call it actually before was like the whole thing that doing the yukchala, what do you call it in English? Is it
It's
also okay, when you do this farming thing? Yes, when you do this farming thing, ekolweni, what do you do? What do you do when you harvest? Do you take them and sell them, or do you take them and give it to the school, or you take them the half school, half it's yours?
oh on my farm.
Yes,
Oh.
less ekolweni.
Oh yes, esikolweni.
Yes.
Usually half iba
Yeah.
yesikolo
Okay.
and then half sayithingisa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of kids, would you consider giving out like free food to the needy ones? Have you ever done it or?
Yes, I also do like I also do that. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
I used to attend. I used to go to a crash
Okay.
like in supply with tomatoes seeds
Yeah.
and then like ispinach masisika kuba nespinach esisalako. Remember
Yeah.
ispinach mositshalile
Yeah.
sikhula kayi 3 the same like uyakha siyakhula
Sakula.
ukhe
One seed.
yeah
Yo.
sikhule and then the last one akusabi equality iba equality but
Yeah.
then not that quality ukuthi ungayisa ma retail.
Yeah.
So I used to call my community ukuthi bazokha ispinach
Yeah.
for free
Yeah.
because
okay.
of I believe on them and also like into engifuna ukuyenza not only on my community but then nasenkolweni if ever siqedile ukuharvesta for that amount engi expectile and then once I reach that amount istoko esisalako or whatever okusele on my farm supposed to go to ama crash
Yeah.
enkolweni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think the Department of Basic Education it's giving agriculture it's taking agriculture serious since because it's there like agriculture I think go high school
Yes.
but do you think are they taking it serious, are they doing the right thing?
I can say so.
Yeah.
But then the problem is where iba semntwini bayihande over kuye.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because you will find out ukuthi theory bayakunikeza but then practically
They're not.
they are not.
Yeah.
So if ever ufundisa i-agriculture how come ufundise umntwana theory
Yeah.
and then practically
Yes, yes.
so like yinto engisayikhuluma like engisayiplana
Yeah.
on my side ngizo allow inkolo
Yes.
zize zizovisitha indawo yami
Indawo
sizoba
yakho.
ne-site whereby isite lelo selizosebenza ukuthi liwakhombise i-process yokutshala how si-fertilizer kanjani
Okay.
of which it's something esencwadini yabo
Yeah.
but then the moment ubanikeza i-skills leso ukuthi practically
Yeah.
and then like ugaina more confident because some of them uyifunda because of ayithanda
Yeah.
not because of like afuna ma-subject or it's a stream
Yes. Yes.
asikhethiwe.
Yes.
Yeah, so kosele ube mina I myself like kube ngafunda agriculture esikolweni
Yeah.
bangenzisa that practical
Yeah.
ngakudala ngaqala but then because of ngiyenze a business and then like nasesikolweni sinama garden but akasebenzi
Akasebenzi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
akasebenzi.
Yeah.
So
Sorry to cut you. Can I ask a question? Has agriculture been a passion or it's something you fell in love with along the way? And if you were not doing agriculture, what would you be doing?
on my side
Yeah.
okay agriculture it was my passion for me ne
Okay.
and then if bungasiyo mina unyaka lo bukosele graduated to being a teacher
Oh, you wanted to be a teacher.
yeah bukosele kwenye teacher so
Yeah.
asante
With
ngenze-
agriculture.
not even agriculture but then the foundation phase because
Yeah.
when I completed my matric my focus it was to do a bachelor in teaching
Okay.
so like hence I'm said it was my calling
Yeah.
like ngizamile ukuyibalekela ngayibalekela and then like God azange avume ukenzeka intando yami
Yeah.
but then kwenzeke intando yakhe not saying ukuthi ngisele because of benga qualified to be a teacher or I don't qualify ukuthi ngiyongena kuma institution no I ngiya qualify but then you only find out ukuthi bang disqualify ukuthi
Yeah.
angeke ngikhone ukungena la that institution engifuna kwabona izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
so I ask myself why because now last time bang interviewile ku Kwekwezi FM
Okay.
and then after Kwekwezi FM bang interviewer and then ngithole i-call from our Department of Agriculture
Okay.
bayangifundisa ngiyoyenza i-NQ level
Ah,
3 3
Yeah.
of crop actually it's a mixed farming
Okay.
so mina ngiyokuba ku crop management
Okay.
yeah
So, as the Department of Agriculture, they're gonna take you to school.
ngisesikoleni already
Serious?
Yeah.
Ah, man,
Ngisesikoleni
our
already.
department it's trying. Our department is
Too
doing
much,
something.
like,
Yeah.
mawusukumela
Yeah.
people they used to say hi our department ayisebenzi guys anye basebenze if wena
You're doing nothing. Yeah.
so if ever you have a business ungagcini ngokuyikhuluma ngomlomo
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
and then bazokuthola ngendlela
Yeah.
and definitely sure abangeke bakekelela
Yeah.
Ngeke
Yeah.
bakekelele.
Yeah.
mina like mangicala this farming
Mm.
angakatholi any fund
Mm.
like ngiyenze iplan ukuthi ngicale
Mm.
ngiyenze iplan ukuthi ngibe nemali whereby ukose uthi ngithathe imali yami ngihambe ngiyostoka ngithengise ukuze ngithole imali whereby ngizokhona ukwenza zonke lezi zinto lezo yeah cause i-business angeke uyicale
Yeah.
unganamali
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then like if ever someone who want to start a business asasebenza awuyeka umsebenzi and then uyostart
I-business, yeah.
No. But then you start a business
Yes.
usise ku process yokusebenza
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
angeke ukwazi ukuthi in future uyohlangabezana nama financial
Problems. Sanjani,
problems
Yeah.
anjani
Yeah.
and also kuloyo ongasebenzi
Mm.
ofuna ukustarta i-business
Yeah.
you can't start i-business
Yeah.
ungakabi ne-business for example if ufuna ukustarta i-business ye-catering
Yeah.
we know that i-catering equipment iyadura
Yeah.
so kosele ube ne-plan yokustarta a business ezokenzela imali
Mali.
ukuze uyothenga
Yo.
equipment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
so
Yes.
hence now I'm like now I'm imali okay ngiyayenza
Yeah.
and then like ngiyabona ukuthi okay sometimes nokulekhela imali financially
Yeah.
so kosele ngistarte another business
Mm.
ezosizana nale ukuthi if ever ngiba nama financial problems
Yeah.
this side that side izokhona ukungi-assista
Yeah.
kanjalo yiko ubona abantu abaningi like most rich people banamabhizinisi amaningi
Yeah.
it's not because of bayakhona
Mhm.
but then it's how they run
Yeah.
imali how
Yes.
they secure imali because of ibhizinisi sometimes uyaluza sometimes uyabenefita
Yeah.
so mayoluza unganamali aside
Mhm.
and then ishuthi ibhizinisi yakho koselivala
Yeah. Yeah.
but then mawunenye ibhizinisi izokhona ukusiza le ukuze sichubeke
Yeah. How big is your land?
my land okwamanje
Mhm.
ngisebenzisa I can say it's 2 hectares.
Okay.
But then all in all, I think by December or next year January, go selling 12 hectares.
So why are you cropping? Is crop, right?
Yes.
The beetroot, spinach, carrot, and all those that you counted only. What about the other ones?
So like we also have this thing ukuthi you check your soil ukuthi ikhona ukubamba ini.
Oh, okay.
Yabo?
Yeah.
So mina I did,
Mm-hmm.
and then like bangitshela ukuthi okay imhlabathi wakho ungakhona ukutshala this
Mm-hmm.
that yabona bazicount.
And you paid for that?
Yeah, you pay.
Mm.
And so mabacotha ukunikeza lezo zinto, you must check ukuthi i-process yokuzikhulisa it will take like isikhathi esingakanani.
Yeah.
And then normally I used to visit amanye farmers
Yeah.
to check like ukuthola that information from kibo ukuthi okay on that process usebenza kanjani,
Yeah.
because end of the day kusuthola imali.
Yeah.
So anye kulinde for 3 months or 4 months
Yeah.
for certain things also harvest after 4 months,
Yeah.
imali uyithola after 4 months.
Mm.
But then kunezinto khona ukuthi uzilinde for 2 months and then like ukeep
Yeah.
2 months njalo.
Mm.
Yeah.
So you're going for the things that you can like when you crop them now and then so that you can harvest quickly, so that you can
Not
push
yield quickly or
sales.
in push.
Yeah.
It dependa ngokuthi ne market yakhona ikangakanani.
No,
Angeke
okay.
ngivuke kusasa ngidecide ukutshala umbila because of there are a lot of white people
Yeah.
abelungu vele ba invest
Kumbila, yeah.
kumbila for
Yeah.
maize meal.
Maize
So
meal, yeah.
manengi ama-farmers akhona,
Mm.
but then lawo ama-beetroot mancane.
Oh yes.
So maka mancane
Must dominate there.
Yeah, so
Yes.
mina kosele sihlale la ba right bona bayenza lokho,
Yeah.
thina phasi kwabo siphushe lokho esikuphushayo.
Mm.
Because if you can check like eSouth Africa izinto eziphuma phambili, it's a maize meal,
Mm.
sugar bean,
Yeah.
sugar beans, ikhabish.
Yeah.
Yeah, lezi zi-3 zi-profitable, zine-profit at the same time, like most of the people ba-investe kizo.
Yeah.
So lezi ama-carrots nani abekho kizo because of ukuzikhulisa it's
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
So mina ngithethe i-risk ngokuzikhulisa and i-risk le yangisebenzela because angazi bona babalekeni,
Yeah.
because mina so far I can say zingiphethe kahle.
Yeah, yeah. Would you say the agriculture industry is big, and would you advise one to go into or advise the youth to go into it?
Yes, I can, because if ever ngikhona ukusupplya ngibe ne-shortage,
Mm.
and then mangiba ne-shortage only find out ukuthi ngizocela umuntu from another province from Limpopo ukuthi azongisiza la,
Eish.
only find out ukuthi yeah sinendawo
Yo.
like abangakhona ukutshala abanye bethu,
Yes.
and then like bakhona ukungisiza ukuthi siyenze. Normally ngifuna ukuyenza this thing ukuthi in our municipality
Mm.
sikhone ukusizana thina,
Yeah.
sibe na this thing process of chain whereby if ever ngiba ne-shortage ngingagijimeli kwenye municipality or another province
Yes.
ukuthi izongi-assista,
Yes.
but then locally
Locally.
bakhone ukungisiza ukuthi
Yeah.
siphushane
Yes.
sikhone
And grow our community. Oh, so it's big, the agriculture, and obviously it includes I don't know how to differentiate them. What categories do you have under agriculture?
Okay, sinama livestock
Okay.
whereby si include inkomo, ngulube, whatever.
Yeah.
Sinama layer production. I also have a qualification nama layer production,
Mm.
of fishing, kuku, sinama
Mm.
boiler
Mhm.
and the layers.
Okay.
Nazo zi-profitable, zine-profit,
Yeah.
but then zidinga umuntu one-patient.
On a patience.
Yeah, uzoba nethando for
Yeah.
and then sine-crop,
Okay.
and then sinabo hygiene what whereby
Yes.
bakhona ukukhulisa intshalo zabo without umhlabathi, but then we use impontshi. Some of them they use what do you call what dust lawo maplanka, they call it what?
Okay. Which ones? Do you know them?
Yabona mabakhatha iplanka,
Yeah.
there's this thing bayibizeni ngani, ngekhohlwa ukuthi
Okay, but just try to search it, man.
mabakhatha amaplanka so they-
Yeah.
kune-
So when they're using those things, what is that they crop or yini abayitshalayo?
batshala ama-lettuce
Oh.
amapipe so yeah, like ukhona omunye a young lady anathembisile
Yeah.
ubhizi ngale nto leyo
Mm.
and then like bayuza ama-greenhouse ukuyikhulisa like
Mm.
ama-types of lettuce
Mhm.
kunale ngathi ifuna ukuba meruni
Yeah.
ya nale green
Yeah.
so iba fresh
Yes.
mabayikhulisa njalo
Yeah.
so like agriculture including that bebazama reduce this thing ye-recycling
Oh.
so
okay.
like you can go maybe go recycling pick up izinto and then
Yes.
ubone ukuthi maybe ngatshala
Mm.
ngale nto leyo and definitely sure maybe kuyakumila
Mhm.
and yeah
Okay.
uzokuholela lokho
So all those categories that you've counted, why did you specifically choose crop?
because you know okay let us start on livestock ne
Yeah.
go livestock you benefit but then once because if ever uthatha inkomo uyisa ku-auction maybe only find out ukuthi uzothola maybe boma 20,000 only for one cow like ngaleso sikhathi
Yes.
ne but then ku-crop maybe only 230 rand for ukuthenga ama-seeds
Yes.
and then ama-seeds wami ayongenzela i-profit maybe above 20,000
20,000. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
I see. So, but then why other people are still on livestock? They don't have knowledge, or
they have it
there is a way that it should work for it could work for you.
they have knowledge
Mhm.
I believe that bona ba interested or ba invested too much kiyo
Okay.
yiko bathi now sinalento esibiza ukuthi a mixed farming
Okay.
some of them they can invested on livestock
Yeah.
and also
Oh.
on crop
On crop. Yes.
so livestock ba benefita ngani manure
Mm.
to
Oh
and then
yes.
ngapha bo benefita ngani after harvesting okusalako bakuthatha
Bokudlisa.
bokudlisa
Oh,
inkomo.
okay. All
So
right.
it's a mixed
Okay.
farming like
Yeah. Yeah.
yabona kuba lula for bona.
What can you say about fertilizers? We know that there's fertilizers. So
We have a lot of fertilizers and like ayasiza
Mhm.
in terms of what ukukhulisa ama-crops wakho
Okay.
uprotecta ama-crops wakho
Okay.
mina esinye experience about ama-fertilizer
Mm.
mawutshala
Mhm.
immediately uyithela like immediately uyithela there's certain fertilizer whereby mawaceda uwathela akubeke ubeke amalanga
Mhm.
it can be 5 or more than 5 days
Mhm.
whatever ukutshalile soku-ready
Okay.
ungakhipha
Mm.
and then kunama-fertilizer kufana nomanyora kunama-fertilizer kufana nomquba wenkukhu
Mhm.
yabona izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
and then sinama-fertilizer thina esamafama esizenzela wona ngutshani
Okay.
ya siyathatha utshani lobu sifake phakathi kwamabhavu and then like sibulalise khona
Okay.
and then kusasa ekuseni amanzi lawa atshentshile green
Okay.
so sinama-neutron amaningi
Okay.
from lapho
Yeah.
and then mawuthelelela ngawo
Mm.
amanzi lawo isitshalo sakho siba fresh
Shiba fresh.
siba
Oh,
fresh.
okay.
So like abantu abaningi they used to go kuma recycling site
Yeah.
collector izinto bayo-collector izinto lapho
Yeah.
and then bayoyenza the process of fertilizer
Yes.
because
Yes.
intshalo zikhulisa I believe ukuthi intshalo zikhulisa ukungcola
Oh, okay.
yeah
Yeah. The what? Yeah.
storage yeah but then abayisebenzisi yona iyodwa like that storage yona iyodwa
Mm.
because bayithatha process yokomiswa from komiswa iyomixwa maybe nenye chemical
Mhm.
ezobulala certain worms or whatever
Yeah.
and then bayithele
Yeah.
khulisa intshalo
So now ngayithela injalo kwenzakalani? Intshalo zophuma zinuka. But bayithela injalo. Do you think it's gonna work or not? If bayithela injalo.
no I don't think so zingasha
Ne?
yeah zingasha because storage very very
Hey, phela, hey.
siyamix
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
So,
they mix,
yeah,
yes.
like, kuleyo process leyo like bayithela and then
Yeah.
bayikhave ngomhlabathi ibe
Okay.
ngaphasi
Oh.
and then khana batshala phezulu
Batshala phezu kwayo.
yeah asimani sithele phezulu then yeah
So there are different fertilizers for growth and then for ukuthi zibe fresh or one fertilizer can do
No.
multiple works or what's it?
kunama fertilizer ukuthi protect your crop sinama fertilizer
From?
ukuthi- from like ilwane lezi ezikhona
Oh.
yeah izidle intshalo
Yes.
and then sinama fertilizer ukukhulisa
Okay.
sinama fertilizer ukwenza isitshalo sakho ukuthi sibe green
Yeah.
or like sibe sikhulu
Yes.
yeah
Okay. All right. Okay.
so
So
siwanema ngabo LN28 LN23
mm,
LN26
yeah.
yeah.
But do you think they give us good what I can say good results whereby or healthy results for us to consume?
like kulo mhlaba esesiphila kiyo le
Yeah.
industry esiphila kiyo we can
Yeah.
say so cause already i fertilizer leyo
Mm.
imixiwe like from the factory company
Yeah.
ukuthi i decrease or i increase
Yeah.
some neutron from that crop
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
the same time ayibisha because ikhulisa ama crops wakho fast
Okay.
so into ekhule fast ifana nenkukhu
Mm.
ukhona kulama fertilizer bawasebenzisa ukuyikhulisa
Livestock. Yeah.
yeah ukuyikhulisa like fast
Mm.
same applies nenkomo nowadays ikonyana jikijika kusesekonyana sokuyinkomo
Hey.
yabona izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
so you will find out ukuthi inyama khona ayisabi that fresh
Yeah.
ngaleyo ndlela same apply naku crop manage naku crops
Mm.
yes siyazama ukuthi sizikhulise ngaleyo ndlela but then equality khona i fresh from like nature
Yeah. Yeah.
say already imixiwe yabona so
Okay.
sikhulise ngendlela
Engasiyo. Okay. So that's why I heard you earlier speaking about why Woolworth why Woolworth's vegetables or things are so fresh is because they don't use fertilizers.
no like mabathenga istoko sabo
Mm.
ba follow that process ukuthi ukhulisa kanjani
Okay.
I think ne Pick n Pay
Yeah. Is it allegedly or is vele kunjalo?
I'm not sure cause azange ngisapply khona but
Okay.
then mangizwa cause last time ngi-appreciate i-Pick n Pay ne
Okay.
and then they said sifuna usupply
Okay.
but then before sifuna ukuza on your farm sizo check sizo survey and then like I ask myself ukuthi bafuna uzocheckani
Mm.
ngaphinde futhi ngaziphendula ukuthi no like because of it's i-company owner belungu
Yeah.
yeah so bazofuna ukuchecka ukuthi like i-process yokukhulisa that
Mm.
crop uyifollowe ape kanjani
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did they come though?
no not yet because of lento bebayifuna beseyiphelile kimi
Oh,
spinach
bebafuna spinach.
Bebafuna
Okay.
spinach so now process ukukhulisa i-beetroot
Mm.
so
So how do they get your contacts? They communicate with other stores. They get the leads. What's happening?
yeah like they used to communicate nama stores amanye
Mm-hmm.
at the same time nawe self
Yeah.
usele uzimakethele
Okay.
everywhere you go uhamba nesample yakho hence
Yeah.
ngizizele nawe
Yeah.
so everywhere you go like kosele uhlezi uphethe isample
Yeah.
to show ukuthi ish mina ngenza something like this so like ngifuna ukusupply and then they will tell you bazokutshela ama requirement wabo or
Yeah.
the process procedure abayisebenzisako and then if you qualify
Yeah.
so marvele ukuvuka kwakho
Yeah.
so mina like everywhere I go like wonke ama meeting ngiwa attenda I make sure ukuthi ngihamba ne product yami
Yeah. Yeah.
so we presenter we advertiser
Yeah.
like nokuthi ngayisupplier kubani
Yeah,
I hand over
yeah.
kubani hence ngishilo ukuthi now I think I'm not thinking singiku national
Yes.
about
Yes.
supplying
Yeah.
yeah singiku national supplying
Mm.
management
Mm.
so ngi allowed ukuthi maybe izinto zami ngazithatha ngizise on our marketing in Mpumalanga
Okay.
spread
Okay.
ngakhona ukuzifaka
Mm-hmm.
and also i-KZN
Okay.
iwona bona ba-approache mina
Mm.
through i-Facebook babona izinto
Ozenza, yeah.
we decided ukuthi sizomeetha and also i-Eastern Cape
Yeah.
soon being I think next month 25 to 28 bang hostile
Mm.
Northwest
Okay.
zabe ngilapho
You're gonna
for-
be a speaker.
yes
That's nice, man.
so zabe ngirepresenta
Yeah.
my company
Okay.
my municipality and
Yes.
where I come from
Yeah. Yeah. So did so does our municipality knows about that? Are they coming on board?
Yes, they
assisting you?
know. Like they know, cause they used to come, bazo check in the yam,
Mhm.
and then like
Yin.
nyathana zuthi ngifane nabanye sebabasizile.
Yeah. Would you say social media is playing a big role in your business?
Yeah, too much.
Ne?
Because a lot of people engibaziko today, it's because of social media.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, and also other people, they know you because of social media.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you don't receive any text. Actually, before you go to the text, man, like you were trending that this guy called a tender
Yes.
at Boxer is going to supply Boxer.
Yeah.
Didn't you receive the inboxes from the other gender or
No, like
yeah?
even like
Nyazaz.
as we
Yeah.
speak, like if I'm saying Shala Igu, do not disturb me.
Yeah.
Immediately my time it's 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm no longer allowed any phone calls.
Yeah.
Cause like people they will call you Ebsugati ngithola ama number akho from on Facebook and okay sharp.
Yeah.
Ispinach is corner Ebsu. Yeah, it's corner. And then access will be the chiki.
Yeah.
Usharp mar.
Eh.
Ebsu.
Iki spinach. Iki spinach.
Why? So
Yeah.
like it's where I started to see with no man. Cause even a phone,
Yeah.
business,
Yes.
personally phone.
Yes.
Because now, like in Konugluza, ama phones are serious episode because of
Awusazi
answers.
ukuthi
Yeah.
yeah.
Like, why because I'm for episode the spinach?
Ngubani lo? Ngubani?
Friend kamkanami.
Oh, and that girlfriend yakho yenzani that? Akekho loyal umlahle. Batsho yipi ndoda? Batsho yipi?
Baningi ndo.
Awa.
Like as manje even though like you
Yeah.
walk outside, mina usually angifuni ukuthathwa as someone or like achievile empilweni.
Oh, yes.
No, like ngifuna bangithathe as normal.
As a normal person.
Yeah. So I make sure ukuthi wherever la ngikhona ngiyazehlisa
Yes.
to the level yale ndawo engiyo.
Okay,
So
yeah.
that like singagcini sifikisane whereby no wena like
Uzibona? Yeah.
usho next no,
Yeah.
like, ngithanda like the way abantu bangitreata ngakhona.
Yeah.
And also I will treat them like angifuni bathi kusasa yabona izinto ezinjalo manje
Yeah, yeah.
I don't like
But
that.
didn't you get that treatment after that boxer thing or that you trending? You didn't get
Bro.
any treatment?
Like everywhere I go,
Yeah.
even my church, they will always preach about me. Edward,
Yeah. Yeah.
Keleni, like abazali after
Yeah.
like even though ngicela to interview ikwekwezi,
Yes.
like people they bang us
Yeah.
and then like mangithoma introduce kuma workshop and like igama lami Edward wilo bekabe
Yeah. Yes.
njalo yes yakupha that thing ukuthi hayi bana manje
Ngifikile.
ngifikile
Yeah.
at the same time man I don't think into sharp for
Yeah.
like unga investor kiyo ukuthi
Yeah.
ufuna ukwaziwa hayi
Yeah. So besimama bazondezi.
basondeza
Yeah.
and then like kunabanye abasondeza intention ukuthi interested kulento leyo
Yeah.
and then kunabanye like uyayibona mari yes interested but
Yeah.
then sika nendlela enye
Enye interested ngayo.
yeah like uyayibona
And manje wena ukho lapho.
and wena ngaleso sikhathi like awukho lapha and
Ukuphi?
I think it is because the moment
Yeah.
ngikhuluma naye
Yeah.
I believe like kunabantu now ukushare some history yebusiness yakhe
Yeah.
asayishare mahhala
Aseshema true. Yeah.
so like uyazi ukuthi abantu bazobenefita on that
Mm.
so yiko sizama ukusondeza like as today I'm here ku
KKFM, yeah. Shout out.
Ndoda.
Yes.
Like ngis trainer that spirit ukuthi if ever in 9 years come like ngifuna history yami ibe something ebambekayo
Bambega,
yeah
yes.
if ever motivate someone
Yes.
like
yes.
akholwele kulento le ngimtshela
Yeah.
So,
yeah. So man, you're being in a farming industry, it changes the dress code. What actually? What's happening with? Who said these clothes are for farmers?
I believe this thing is come from white people.
White people, yes.
Yeah, they used to wear this, even though like Maba attended the certain meetings.
Yeah.
Maba Simafami.
Yes. Yes.
So, uba the spirit in our cause.
Yeah.
It's something interested. You know, like if I was a lawyer.
Yeah.
Like in that gown.
That gown,
Yes,
we have feel.
So now whenever I wear
I
like
see,
this,
I see.
Six things so things introduced. I
Yeah.
used to wear namashoto wabo lawo.
Yeah.
Ngiyabanda.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whenever ngivela
Mm.
angifuna ukuzintroduce.
Yeah. This one is a farmer.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Ngifuna-
There's a logo here, man.
Yeah.
There's a logo here. Is
Edward
Farming
Farming
Project.
Project, yes.
Oh, yeah.
So like ngifuna ukuthi ngibe be presented.
Yeah. What can you say about branding? The importance of branding your business.
Yo, it's very
As you've put your sticker there.
it's very important, not only empahleni phela, but
Yeah.
then even though something we produce like if you can check abo Z 2022.
Okay. Oh yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that guy like manglandelela history like na imncane,
Okay.
and then like the shape of the box
Yeah.
attract the color of the
Yeah,
box
yeah.
attract ukuthi kunani ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
So ubranda something about your ngegama lakho,
Yeah.
like ikubeka somewhere, cause ifana na someone or obhale incwadi, next generation bazabe bazi ukuthi incwadi le yabhala umuntu so some of them
Okay.
bayaholela lo. So now if ever ubrande something yakho like your package i-attract ama customer like,
Yeah.
yeah yabona izinto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
So it's very important ukuthi if ever where une business,
Yeah.
like mina I believe ukuthi business yakho kosele uyiname ngegama lakho,
Yeah.
like ungamani ucamba business yakho ngegama or like ayibizi igama lakho.
Yeah.
The next years come
Yeah.
waziwe
Good.
ukuthi
Yes.
this business is belongs to who.
To Edward.
Because
Yeah.
You will find out that maybe after 5 years sengiphezulu, okay, achieve a lot,
Yeah.
and then you will find out no abelungu sebafuna uku-investor,
Investor. Yes. Yes.
and then always like sekusebenza abelungu lapho,
Yeah.
hand over my company to someone.
Yeah.
So une right lokuyiwina if ever bengibize ngeli igama,
Ngeli
because
igama, yeah.
angazama ukungichanges ukuthi hayi man asibize ngegama eliso,
Yeah.
but then mayibize ngegama lami,
Yeah.
noma ngingasuka kule position engiyo i-co-founder nginikeze omunye ayirun,
Yeah.
end of the day
Yeah.
uyazi naye ukuthi this company is full from yakabani.
Is your company registered with CPC?
Yes, I did everything. I have
Yeah.
my business account.
Yes.
Like yes, ngishap.
Yeah. Yeah. And then do you have any employees?
Okwamanje not, but then
Yeah.
ngifuna ukufaka ama part time.
Oh, okay.
Because, like ngiku process sense ngisho ngithi in financially
Yeah.
akabi stable.
Stable. Yes.
To ukuthi ngahire someone permanently.
Yeah.
But then when we harvest, I promise you that ngizoyenza ama part time whereby abantu bakhona ukuthola
Yeah.
at least that amount, because sabe bangisiza.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you decide to hire, who would you go for? The criteria, or would you go for specific people?
In terms of qualification or maybe
Yeah. Everything.
no, like
for instance.
I mean I believe that I like okay on documentary
Yeah.
is kumele ngifune someone of which she or he is qualified,
Yes.
akhona ukungenzela something
Yeah.
of which ezoba presented.
Presented. Yeah.
Yeah, but then like ukusebenza ngale, I think unskilled people
Yeah.
also feed the cause. Hence, like our government or institution of our Republic of South Africa, hence it said abasaqhashi over 35.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, so there are a lot of people above 35 abangasebenzi. So hayi ukuthi abasebenzi mhlambe awukho
Yeah.
umsebenzi ayikho.
Yeah.
No, like because of age.
The age. Yeah.
So kufanele ukuthi thina esama farmers sizame ubafaka and then basebenze. I-youth sibaphe i-skills ukuthi bahambe bayozivulela owabo ama-farm, because I believe noma ngakusharela the information or the history of my business,
Yeah.
anye wenze the way ngize ngayo,
Yenza ngakhona.
and
Yeah.
then ngizokusharela to that level whereby la ngiyagcina.
Yeah.
yeah ngizokupha my secret but
Yeah.
there's another secret thing engitshela ukuthi
Ngiyakutshela, yeah.
ukuze mina ngifike la
Yeah.
because it's like iyangibinda
Yeah.
ibinding
Yeah.
izenzela ukuthi ungangidluli.
Ungangidluli. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So I don't mind to share whatever like the pastor say you thoma my business and izinto ezinjalo hence abanye bayenza and now sebayenza ngokubhadalwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, umuntu azokubhadalisa akubhadalisa for ukumentorisha. Just imagine uzokumentorisha ngebusiness ecala uwe ukupha ama idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngengcondo yakhe azo run ibusiness yakho.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like umsebenzi mningi.
You can drop it. You can drop it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, man. And what I was doing my research, I found out that actually the industry is big more than I thought, and there's, I can say, few or a lot that are coming from Mpumalanga or from Gwandebele side who are in this industry currently. So what can you say, bro? Because some they are still coming. What can you say to them who are still coming and to those who are about to start?
Yeah, what I can say, guys, on this industry, it's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. Kunzima.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then like banga demotivate abantu ngokuthi kunzima.
Yeah.
Yeah, but believe it.
Yeah.
But believable ukuthi they can do that.
Yeah.
Cause like akusilula vele.
Yeah.
Yeah, akusilula. To be honest, like akusilula.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause kuqala kusele uyekele whatever uzabukwenza if ever unesikhathi sokuthi unesikhathi sokuphuma maybe ushawa umoya or spending a time like izinto ezinye
Yeah.
kusele vele
Ukhathenyana. Yeah. Yeah.
Invest more.
Yeah.
Because mawuqala vele it's hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's hard. Even though phakathi it's hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
So kulaba abesizako, one thing I can tell them ukuthi like if like abazimisele man.
Yeah.
On
Yeah.
whatever they do, banga demotivate abantu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you deliver the things to the stores? Do you have a team that is delivering for you, or you deliver yourself using Iveniac or using your what's happening?
Okay. I have a motor, ne?
Yeah.
So we used to deliver like deliver Latina.
Yeah.
So most could wind up deliver last time I saw deliver a Pinoni.
Yeah.
And then like the manager corner itigi me sizofonela manager sizofonela your boss
Okay.
simtshela ukuthi ispinach isifikile.
Okay.
And then I was like uthi uzofonela my boss it no like imfonele manje cause
Yeah.
kusele
check your
vele,
mic. Yeah. Yeah.
so makafona
Yeah.
ifoni ikhala kimi and then like why nihamba nefoni yakhe ngithi no I'm the one
I'm the one who's owning. Yeah.
like wena
Yeah.
ngithi yeah yimi bathi lethi ID yakho
Yeah.
only finding it 2K
Yeah.
and like yakababakho ngithi no like ranwa yimi yabo izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
like ngiyazitransportela and like okwamanje
Yeah.
ngiyazitransportela ngifuna ukuyofika lapho because you will find out ukuthi uthuma umuntu and then makafika abhalele ukubekezelela because maso deliver like
Yeah.
I'll see one
I see why.
kunamatruck angenako
Yeah.
izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
process yokudeliver nayo yiyo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So okwamanje ngisazenzela until maybe sengibona ukuthi okay sengifanele ukuthi nginikeze umuntu ozo driver ozoba specific kule
Yeah.
process
Yeah.
yokudeliver.
It can be a lot of work, man. Delivering, doing the farming your own, making sure that you are active on social media and all that alone. Do you have a partner? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have or do you have a boyfriend? Or
I have a girlfriend.
yeah. How do you balance, bro?
So ukuthi nje yazi uya understand and
Yeah.
understand ukuthi actually mangicala this thing
Yes.
bengicala ukumitha naye
Oh.
and then like she know everything.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah ukubekezelelile shem.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll find out ukuthi ngiyadineka whereby angifuni ukumkhulumisa
Yeah.
ukuthi ngilale.
Hey, awuthole nzima manje. Yeah.
Yeah, and like sikulong
Distance. Oh,
so like,
okay.
hey,
Okay.
it's hard because you'll find out ukuthi in the month sibonana twice.
Twice.
Once,
Yeah.
because of not because of angifuna ukufika kuwe,
Yeah.
no, because of umsebenzi wami usuku omningi.
Too
Like
much.
now ngiyafunda ngiyasebenza I have a farm
Yeah.
so mangichayisa kosele uyengale yabona nje like yabona izinto lezi ziningi
Yeah.
so ngi-understand ukuthi naye self
Yeah.
uyafunda
Yeah.
so siphine ispace and then kunesikhathi la whereby siyahlangana and spend
Yeah.
together and also on agriculture like ebantwini abadala
Yeah.
kunama rules la akhona
Yeah.
whereby mawutshala
Mhm.
akusela mawuyotshala
Yeah.
awukoselanga ulalane siyotshala
Serious?
yeah same apply masi engadini
Yeah.
ever
Did you get that? Did you get that? Akumela kulala if mayuchala.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be intimate.
like to if ever kuseni
Yeah.
no plant
Yeah.
today or in 7 days before
Yeah.
uyakuzilela lokho
What's
because
up?
of like abantu abadala they believe ukuthi kucindezela intshalo
Inchalo.
yeah same apply noma egading noma kuye kufarm yakho
What about interested Jan? Yeah.
kufarm yakho like we don't allow noma ubani like
Yeah.
uhleli
Yeah.
ozongena
Yeah.
especially ngama month end so cause we know that baya kuma period
Yeah.
Spain
Yeah.
so anyeka ngene
Yeah.
if ever asisimini esinjalo
Oh.
Cause
Uyacindezela.
uyazicindezela intshalo
So since azimili noma azimili kuhle kwenzakalani?
sengaka experience but then
Yeah.
the more like
Ngicela uzame usibele ne feedback.
okay but then injalo
Yeah.
abantu abadala bebakholelwa kuloko and then like hence mina ngingakakufundeli
Yeah.
mhlawumbe belungu or some of abanye abantu bayakwenza and then bahambe boyenza izinto ezinjalo
Yeah.
and then like baba izinto zabo zinjalo
Yeah.
mina the way ngifundise ngakhona
Yeah.
according to the nature ebangiyeze ngayo and ngiyayifollowa and
Yeah.
I believe on that so mangazi ukuthi sokuyisikhathi sokutshala
Yeah.
and then maybe ngilelene angeke ngithinte whatever sebesitshala
Yeah.
kosele nginikeza abanye basebenze
Oh.
mina ngiyothinta but then ngizoba
So what do you do? Mhlawumbe nabathi okay mina muhla and they're like no wait let me go ngitshale kuqala
angeke wale but
and
then
then bese
Yiko yithi like-
so ngicedako.
yiko ngithi mina uzonikeza laba abanye batshale
Yeah.
but then if ever wena
Yeah.
like I used to host something like program yana ukuthi sifundise abantu ukutshala
Yeah.
I am like kosele ngiba leader ekutshaleni lokho so if ngazi ukuthi ngizoba kuleyo process ukuthi ngifundise umuntu ukuthi
Yeah.
like isitshalo sami uzosifaka kanjani
Yeah.
definitely shovele kokosele ngikhathi ngani yeah
Ngoba intimate yo.
ngale
Yeah.
so izinto ezinjalo like zikhona
Yo.
So you honestly think it's true that something's going to happen if you do that?
yeah
Yeah, as cool.
yabona noma ngibiza when I call my community to say izani nizocollecta ispinach
Yeah.
angibavumeli bangene inside of my
Because benza into zabo. Yeah.
ngiyasika ngisiye ngicise idrata
Yeah.
ngibanikeze lapho chayile angimane ngivumele noma ubani
Yeah.
angene ku farm yami and then sinama shuthi ugula okuningi kuhlala ngaphasi kwengicathulo under the shoes
Lokho
So,
manje.
like ama disease if uyovisita enkukhwini bazokunikeza i-uniform mawungena bakuvaccine bakuspraye ukuthi ukhone ukenza ukungena enye into futhi mawutshalile akufuneki umuntu maybe osebenzisa cologne like something ene perfume intshalo nazo ziyazonda
Oh, okay.
so like if ever umuntu athi ufuna uvisita my farm like you guys
Zatefa yo.
nifuna ukuza nizobona ifarm yami kosele ningitshele before isikhathi so that ngikhone ukuthenga i-vaccine
Okay.
whereby maningene egate kosele nivaccine inyawo like
Umnu.
ningenise ingicathulo zeni phakathi kwamanzi lawo bese niyangena because of
Smell.
not even smell ukulo ukugula okuningi ayishiyabona sihamba
Yeah.
siyathela konke la
Yeah.
yeah so ukugula okuningi like izinto ezinga-affecta intshalo or inkukhu sikuthola phasi
Nencathulo, yeah.
sempahleni
Esempahleni.
so mawungena kosele vele
Uhlwe
sikwazi
nempahla lezi.
or sikuboleke ezinye impahla ungene ngazo.
So why not do you have those things? So or you don't allow people to come into
I
your
don't
into your
allow
farm.
people to come on my
Okay.
farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, and then again, if ever bayeza, sebenzisa the process of vaccinating yawo, and then bangena.
How did this farming thing affect your personal life, positive or negative? And what is that you were doing before farming and therefore you're no longer doing?
Okay, in positively, ingchangile, cause
Okay.
like ukhona usebenza whereby it's a open space.
Okay.
Ukhona ucabanga.
Oh, okay.
Even though like ngibona ukuthi ngi stressly ngiyangale not ukuthi keep stress but then uyabuya man
Yeah, yeah.
sharp
Yeah.
and then in negatively endaweni eziningi awusakhona ukuya noma uyile kosele ubuye early cause ucabanga ukuthi kosele ngiyochecka ngale or wenzani so ukhulu ukubalance man usibalance izinto ezinjalo yeah.
Yeah. Are you still having the friends? Are you still going to the place that you used to go to? Are they intimidated, or are they also doing something else?
Yes, I do have but they know ukuthi ngenzani.
Yeah.
And then ngiyabazi ukuthi
Benzani.
wenzani. So siba nesikhathi.
Yeah.
Yeah, whereby mhlambe sizoba nesikhathi sokuhlangana. But then the more ukhula.
Cool, yes.
And then the more uhamba uzohlangana nabantu enikuseni.
Yeah,
not saying
behambelwa.
ukuthi siyabajikela.
Yes,
But
yes.
then uzothi noma unabo
Yeah.
nizokhuluma
Ilimeliwa.
ilimeliwa. So like you will find out hence now like ngenze ubungani eKZN. So ngi-expect umuntu from KZN
Yeah.
alende as this side
Yeah.
like into esizoyikhuluma yobungani lokho.
Yeah.
But then also we have abangani locally and then kumele ba-understand kumele ba-admit ukuthi ngesikhathi lesi wona bebakuthola ngaso angeke basakuthole because umsebenzi owenzayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in closing, what are the three basic things that you think or you feel like they are a step or they are very important, or actually let me say, what are the three things that would say these are basic things that a successful business has to have, or a business has to have in order for it to be successful? I'm not sure if I'm making sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ziningi ne?
Yeah. In terms of agriculture or farming.
Okay. First of all, it's a transportation.
Yeah.
Yeah, to transport like ngeke waba ku farming ungana transport.
Ungana transport, okay.
Yeah. Angazi kuphendula kahle ne?
Yeah.
Secondly, ukuba ni financial management.
Okay.
Cause like imali ya attractana. So the moment ingena umuntu ohluleka ukuzicontrol.
Yeah.
Yeah, vele ngayicetha.
Yeah, you tell.
So I believe ukuthi kosele ube ne financial management umuntu ozokumanage emalini leyo ukuthi imali leyo ozokufundisa actually ukuthi imali leyo ungayisebenzisa kanjani, siyisebenzisa kanjani because kokucala ikhati ihlala kuwe. It's not a cooperative. You are the one like ikhati ihlala kuwe. I-bank app ikuwe so ubona everything so ungayisebenzisa anytime yeah ayikaleli yaphuma namanje if ngaphuma ngayisebenzisa yeah so like I believe ukuthi kosele ube ni financial management 3 kosele uthembe uNkulunkulu
yeah
kosele ube noNkulunkulu inside of you cause you will think ukuthi usebenza uyi-one only find out ukuthi wena uyi-one ayeke ukukhona lokho.
Yeah.
So allow him angene kuwe ayenze umsebenzi wakhe and then ungabi greedy ungazicabangeli wena uyedwa.
Yeah.
Sebenzisana nabantu. Yeah, like mina in future come ngifisa ngathi if ever kuba nama some like funeral in like my local ngikhona ubasiza if ever maybe beetroot ikhona or spinach isikhona like sithathe donate so sebenzisana nabantu ukuze bakuthande and then like angeke kuzoba nzima ukuthi abantu bakutshontshele because the moment ukhomba uthando kibo it's not like uzikhomba ubuwena bakho or ufuna ukuba khomba uthi ya mina it is what I do no but then ukushare and then lokho akwenzeki if unganankulunkulu inside of you so koselo alawe yena angene ayenze umsebenzi wakhe and then alawe iprocess yakhe ukuthi isebenze inside of you like everything izohamba sharp.
How is your family supporting you?
Like from my mom she like uyenza make sure ngesikhathi harvesting uba khona
okay
babami like what mangisemsebenzini like uyosala lapha ayenza noma yena nomsebenzi wakhe sele asala ayenza and 3 like sometimes unokufila ngathi ngayeka and then like ngikhulume nabo ngwatshe utazi kwenzeka so and manje sokungaphezulu amandla
vana kwenzakaleni I wish this one is a bit like I nearly gave up. What happened? What was it?
Okay, fine. Hence we know that sine kinga yokuleka amanzi.
Okay.
So mina I have a bowl, but then isebenzisa i-generator.
Okay.
So you'll find out sometimes anginayo imali ukuthi ngipampa amanzi for uyothelelela. And then like from la ngitshala khona kune dam. So mawungana mali ukuthi upampe amanzi uthelelela. Kosele mina self like ngithatha inkuphu. Nyuka amanzi. Just imagine uthelelela i-half a ground. Nginkuphu. Kosele ngiwakha from pass ngikhuphuke nawo. Ngiwathele like kanjalo kunamabhavu engastora kuwo bese uwathathe futhi uthelelele so like into le yangenza uthi like ngifise ngathi nga give up because it's hard kubhlungu like icabangisa kanike ugcina utshela ukuthi hey man azinto engiyenzako like manje inkulu kimi like angeke ngikhone yabo so isiningi mara livele leyo like nga conclude nencunda yami isizodazini ngiyayeka manje and then like ngiyeka so ngiyenza lokho ngiyathandaza ngapha and like ngiyakhala only find out ebusuku bakhona izulu lana and then lana to the point ukuthi ngithethe 3 days ngingatheleleli lo bis 4 is where I started to harvest izinto zami and like mase ngiharvest izinto zami sizi fresh cause le amanzi
abeya uNkulunkulu
so like into eyangikhombisa ukuthi hayi lo muntu ukhona yaphila like usizwile isikhalo sami
someone is watching there they're not sure if they have to go into the agriculture industry or not simply because they don't know if there's money or not. How much that like what's the maximum amount that you've made? Ukiwenza mali imali leo yo fethu
ngi added through my livestock and also crop or only on crop.
Also you also have a livestock?
Yes, we also have a livestock. So on livestock like used to share, but then let me specific through through e-crop like kulisa injalo. Like I can lapho 9K. Yeah.
For ibeshe one.
No, like not even a bench, but then if ever it's a contract, like we are supplier.
I see.
So
okay.
Yes, in a man, but then I find a beetroot. Because beetroot like umgodlo oyi-1 bawulanda nge-220, 225.
Okay.
So just imagine mabalanda 50 or 100.
Also, the highest invoice that you've issued, it was about 9K.
Yeah.
Yo.
But then like other from different shops like not staying
from each shop one
is so and then like how we calculate okay
so. Okay we're wrapping it up. So can you mention maybe 3 farmers or people in your industry that would say they inspire you, man, currently?
We're around my municipality or
anyway.
Okay.
All over.
Let us start by Wendy. I don't
Yeah.
know if name yakhe ubani.
Yeah.
Odila ngeleya production.
Oh, Wendy Mgun, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we also have Lebu from Excellent.
Okay.
And there's no Lebu Hang.
Okay.
Bonke bo Lebu. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's no Lebu Hang Lulu of Dladla, yes.
Yeah.
Lebu Hang Dladla from Wheatbank.
Yeah.
Like Lua says like whatever wenzago. Now we are go investor bo Mauritius like transporter amanzi. Yeah, like uni brand yakhe amanzi isava and also uni chicken layers.
Yeah.
Utjali kabishi.
Yeah.
Nje ubhizi.
Yeah.
So I can say babantu abang-motivator like each and every day whenever mangibothi fall down
Yeah.
and like ngine participate nabo should ngiyaparticipate nabo
Yeah.
let bona bazi
Yeah.
but then ngiyazitshela ukuthi no like
Yeah.
I think ngibekise nguWendy.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Wendy like wa like us. Wendy
Yeah.
wa like us and like sikaziwa bro.
Yeah.
Like social marketing social marketing on Facebook bahlala bamposta now and then
Yeah.
and abam approach
Yeah.
but then babona umsebenzi wakhe from Facebook and then bam selector ba poster ulawo and now bagcine bam measure nama brand amakhulu fishes counter abo ama thini ama company amakhulu official on dala a exist
Yeah.
so bam imagine now
We should get her on a podcast, eh?
yeah so
Yeah.
like nami into is no
Yeah.
nami baz next time
Yes.
bazong
Yeah. It's a good competition, man. It's
Yeah.
it's a good competition.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's
and they like
that's
success
healthy.
in doing 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
On layer production.
Yes.
Doing crop management.
Yes.
So like I would think you're competent.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then whatever I win.
You're being inspired. Yeah. Yeah. What can you say to our viewers there? About what's the word of the day, man? The word of the night to our viewers.
The word of the night. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe they on the mic. You can maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
On whatever guys you do.
Yeah.
Thoma ngokuzithanda.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then uthande into oyenzayo.
Yenza. Yeah.
Because angeke uthande into oyenzako ungakazithandi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So into engangitshela yona.
Yeah. Yeah, that's KKFM and Vugandota. Let's discuss with KK. You know the story. We believe that the information that you got, it was it had a lot of knowledge and it was helpful. And if maybe we were looking forward to agriculture or to go into the agriculture industry, and you heard, man, and hopefully the information is helpful. And as Edward here, you wanna know how do they contact you if maybe they wanna have questions or maybe they wanna be in business with you. Yeah.
So on Facebook, I'm Edward Piwenkos.
Yeah.
And then my WhatsApp number for business 066
Yeah.
029
Yeah.
04
Yeah.
66.
Yeah.
And then on Instagram, I'm Edward Nkos.
Yeah, yeah. So that's where they would reach you right there.
Yeah.
You know, they're still live on KKFM, and the word of the night. What I can say is that what's celebrate, man. Because what is a blessing to you, it cannot be a blessing to someone else. But as long as it's a blessing to you, celebrate it. Don't be intimidated. Celebrate your blessing. No matter how small it looks to them, but if it's big to you, celebrate that that blessing, man. Today we had blessing. Is it Edward? Not blessing. It's Edward from Edward Agric, and we'd like to hear you say, KKFM Vugandota.
KKFM Vugandota.
You know this too. Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much.